Welcome to Little Flower School News Bulletin. I am Kulsum. First, the headlines. Pencil drawing competition, captivating creativity with grace. Painting competition, Color World, Color Your Soul. Memory test competition, a challenge to your brain. English story writing competition, words that sparkle, ideas that dazzle. Poem writing competition, whispers of the nature, penned in frost. Essay writing competition, discover the magic of exceptional writing. Easy writing competition, a wonderland of cute writing. Hindi Divas, bridging cultures and connecting hearts. Storytelling competition, adding wings to imagination. The National Dance Day, dance first, think later. English elocution, the ultimate champion of words. Hindi elocution, learn today, lead tomorrow. News in detail. Pencil drawing competition, captivating creativity with grace. Imagination is more important than knowledge, said by Albert Einstein. In the vibrant world of creativity, our school hosted an inter-house drawing competition on 9th September that brought together the young artists from LKG to 10th. The event was all about expressing creativity through art, and it was truly heartwarming to see young artists put their imagination on paper, leaving everyone inspired and amazed. This competition truly highlighted the importance of nurturing creativity from a young age. By encouraging our students to explore their abilities, we help them develop essential skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and self-expression. Let us remember that the canvas of childhood is meant to be splashed with the colors of imagination, making our journey through education more enriching and delightful. Painting competition, Color World, Color Your Soul. Little Flower School organized an inter-house painting competition on 10 September 2024. The event provided an opportunity for students to display their artistic skills and gain recognition for their hard work. On the vibrant afternoon of September 10, 2024, the Little Flower School Kalvari transformed into a hub of artistic expression as students from across the school participated in the eagerly anticipated inter-house painting competition. It was a day where creativity reigned supreme and every stroke of brush told a unique story. The competition provided a wonderful opportunity for students to break free from the constraints of conventional thinking and explore the boundless realms of the imagination. Memory test competition, a challenge to your brain. A memory test competition was organized by Little Flower School Kalvari for the students of LKG to 10th on 11 September 2024. This competition aimed to improve the students' short-term memory and speed recognition skills. It also helps the students to increase the memory power in skillful way. English story writing competition, words that sparkle, ideas that dazzle. This prestigious competition promises to provide an even larger platform for the budding storytellers of tomorrow, igniting their imagination and nurturing creative talents. It aims to foster a love for reading and writing among the children while providing them with a platform to form their dreams into reality. The result was nothing short of spectacular, as their thoughts allowing their creativity to soar to a new height. The stories produced during the competition was not only demonstrating an impressive grasp of language but also exhibited an excellent understanding of the purpose behind the narratives. Poem writing competition, whisper of the nature, penned in frost. In a world brimming with technological distractions, the beauty of language often takes a backseat to emojis and abbreviations. Yet, with the vibrant realm of poetry lies a timeless art that captivates hearts and minds. Essay writing competition. Discover the magic of exceptional writing. Essay writing is considered to be the most effective writing, which encourages and enhances critical thinking and helps the students to improve communication skills. To express their world of imagination, an inter-house essay writing competition was organized in Little Flower School, Kalwari on 12 September 2024. It is one of the key initiatives undertaken by Little Flower School to motivate the students and foster the passion for literature. Easy Writing Competition, a wonderland of cute writing. Creativity flows out in a rhythm, vibrant and alive, present in every child. They should be guided with the right track to transform their imagination into successful dimensions. Hindi Divas, bridging cultures and connecting hearts. Every year, September 14th is celebrated as Hindi Day in India. It is also known as Hindi Divas. Little Flower School Kalwari celebrated Hindi Divas in a meaningful way by conducting the whole assembly in Hindi. Students gave a brief introduction about some of the important Hindi poets. A few words were spoken by Kalpanath sir about the importance of Hindi language.
महादेव प्रसाद द्विवेदी का विशेष योगदान रहा। महादेव प्रसाद द्विवेदी ने अपनी पत्रिका सरस्वती के माध्यम से हिंदी भाषा को परिमार्जित करने का प्रयास किया।
The National Dance Day. Dance first, think later. On 21st September 2024, Little Flower School Kalwari celebrated National Dance Day. The school assembly was made meaningful with a couple of dance performances by students. The principal, in his simple, at the same time powerful message, said that dance goes beyond the form of art and it teaches us the important lessons of discipline, unity, uniformity, and teamwork.
And also we can see the similar costume, similar dress, same dress that symbolizes the unity.
मुष्टि, सोची, अर्धचंद्रा, आराला, सुखातुल लविताय, मुष्टि, सोची, कपित्थम, कटकमुखम, मुष्टि.
English elocution, the ultimate champion of words. It is rightly said that talent is everywhere, but it only needs opportunity. An inter-house English elocution competition was organized in Little Flower School on 21st and 22nd September 2024. It helps the students to develop confidence and overcome the feelings of stage fright and understand the essential elements of public speaking. That's all for now. Thank you from Little Flower School, Kalwari.